Have you ever suffered from toothache, bad breath, or bleeding gum, but ignored it because you're afraid of the dentist? So many people have a fear of dentists and end up neglecting the health and beauty of their smile until it's too late. Dr. Nawab is a sweet, caring female dentist with a gentle touch. She makes you feel at ease and treats every patient as her own family. There are many dentists in Encino, but not all Encino dentists are the same. Call now and visit her at her amazing state-of-the-art clinic, Easy Family Dental in Encino. Dr. Nawab has affordable prices and offers many payment plan options. Change your smile and change your life for better. Mention this ad and you will receive free exam and x-rays valued at $199.